Did you know 78% of local locksmith searches turn into service calls within 24 hours? That's a huge opportunity you don't want to miss. In Muskegon, Michigan, these moments mean real neighbors need fast, trusted help. Your expertise really matters here. The secret? Using high-intent search keywords that connect your business with urgent searches online. For example, searches like Emergency Locksmith Muskegon or 24-hour Locksmith Muskegon County. These targeted phrases cut through generic results and build trust because they reflect true emergencies and local expertise. Whether it's a frozen lock on a cold night or a locked keys in a vehicle, stranded after dark, someone will be searching. The right keywords bring your service to the top of search results, exactly when it matters most for your clients. By combining CIEI Content Creation, SEO with authentic reviews and specific local terms, you don't just get clicks. You gain loyal clients through organic traffic, not expensive paid traffic. Ready to be their first call? Call LMR at 3-522-660-499 now. Don't miss the local opportunity and allow your competition to be seen first. Harness our proven strategies and transform searchers into real customers who need your skills fast, every single time. Your locksmith business can be Muskegon's trusted rescue, every season and every shift. The community depends on you.